MPS Sir Purakshadar Sahib, SP Sir Rashid Ahmad Chukia Sahib and Malak Khalil Sahib. With family or rich time for Dare Muslim school children. Today my topic is why I love Pakistan. Islam is the largest and the shared region of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. There are millions of reasons to love Pakistan. Why I love Pakistan? It is not that Pakistan is a Muslim country. I love Pakistan because it's a hardened country where we are free to shape our own destiny. It gave us an identity as citizens of independent Islamic state. The primary objective in creating Pakistan was to care separate the Muslim cause regulate in accordance with the teaching of Holy Quran and Sunnah. Pakistan is the citadel of Islam. It's the focal point of the Muslim country. It's a matter of pride for me that I was born and brought in this glorious country. Pakistani people suffer many difficulties to get in Pakistan. Thousands of Pakistani people depart his sleep because they love Islam, freedom and want to take different country from him. At last, Pakistanism Qaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah complete the dream of Allama Iqbal. Where Qaid have lived, I love my country for its beautiful scenery, golden traditions and fertile fields. It's a land of mighty mountains and fast-flowing rivers. In short, Pakistan people will leave no stone unturned to spread Islam all over the world. In end, I say thanks for the Muslim school. Allah Hafiz and Assalamu Alaikum.